The most important part of any respectable business is customer support. This can be time-consuming and challenging. Luckily, we're in 2025 and chatbots exist. Today, I'm going to walk you through creating your very own AI-powered chatbot without writing a single line of code. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to build, train, and deploy a chatbot that can interact with people in a natural, human-like way. First of all, let's talk about what you'll need. To follow along, you'll just need a Google account, a web browser, and optionally a website or messaging platform if you want to show off your chatbot. Go to dialogflow.cloud.google.com. If you haven't used Dialogflow before, you may see a quick start wizard. Just follow the prompts, giving any necessary permissions. Once you're on the Dialogflow console, you'll see an option to create or select an agent. Let's do that now. On the left-hand side, click Create Agent. Give your agent a name. For example, BrainRot AI Chatbot. Select your Google project or create a new one. Choose your preferred language and time zone. Click Create. Dialogflow will take a few moments to set up your new agent. Once it's ready, you'll have a blank canvas to start building out your conversational AI. In Dialogflow, an intent captures a user's purpose or goal. For example, when a user says, "Hello," the bot will look for an intent that handles greetings. Entities represent real-world concepts, like a date, a location, or a product name. Dialogflow uses entities to extract important information from user messages. Don't worry if this sounds complicated. We'll walk through a simple example together. In the left sidebar, click Intents. Click the Create Intent button. Name it something like Greeting Intent. Let's start with a simple one. When someone says hi or hello, how should our bot respond? This is exactly what our greeting intent will handle. Under Training Phrases, enter various ways a user might greet the bot. For example, hello, hi, hey there, good morning. Scroll down to Responses. Type in a simple response. For example, hello, how can I help you today? Click Save at the top right. By providing multiple training phrases, you make it more likely that Dialogflow understands greetings of various forms. Now you can test your chatbot right in the Dialogflow console. Type in a greeting, and if everything is set up correctly, you'll see the bot respond as intended. One of the best features of Dialogflow is how easy it is to integrate your bot with various platforms. For a quick demonstration, let's enable the built-in web demo. Once you turn it on, you'll get an iframe code snippet that you can drop right into your website. Click Integrations in the left panel. You'll see a list of popular platforms like Google Assistant, Slack, Messenger, and a web demo option. For a quick test, enable the web demo integration. Copy the iframe code and paste it into your website's HTML. And there you have it. You've just built your first AI chatbot from scratch without writing any code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know what you want to build next.